Hey, this is Aaron with Scalability. And if you have a physical business, things are a little bit different than operating in the digital world. Yet there are tons of things that you can still automate and streamline inside your business with scalability. So this playlist, this section is going to help you do just that for your physical business. We know that with a physical business, it's a lot different than delivering a digital course that's never touched. You have staff members, you have sales, you have leads coming through, you need to track them in sales pipelines and manage products. All of those things can be done inside of scalability. And in this playlist is where we're going to specifically address those things for you. That way you don't have to run all over YouTube trying to figure it out. You can come to this playlist and everything in here will relate to a physical business and actually running and managing that. Sales pipelines, calendars, getting people on calls, making sure your teams are where they're supposed to be. We're going to dig into all those things in this section. So watch these videos, apply the stuff inside your scalability, and then put in the comments and in our community what's missing, what you think is good, what you think is bad. That way we can continue to add to it and create the content that will actually help your business scale and put more money in your pocket as quickly as possible. So thanks. We'll catch you on the next one.